So do you have an old component just like this one? This is the JVC component system. Actually, it's a disk type component system. So on this project, we're going to use this old JVC, which has a CD player. So then the CD player is already broken, so I bought something like this. So this is a desktop wireless receiver. So using this one, since CD has no more repair, so we're going to use this wireless receiver. Okay. So on the wireless receiver, you'll receive this dongle, and at the back it has multiple ports. So also they have multiple cables. So this receiver is powered by a Type C. Then we're just going to plug the components auxiliary into this one, audio out. And from this, we're going to use the Type C cable and plug it. Now it's already wireless connectivity using this one. And make sure this one, the audio component, is auxiliary mode. Auxiliary and the audio is high. And then from your cell phone, you can connect it via Bluetooth. So this is the configured already using connected wirelessly Bluetooth. And then after that, use the music. It has much better quality using this one. Wait. So now I can use my mobile phone wirelessly using this one, Bluetooth wireless receiver. A very good technology to use your old sound system via Bluetooth using your mobile phone or any video, audio. You can play it through here. So, and the quality is still very good because this one is a 5.2. Okay. So for more questions or inquiries, you may comment it down below. Yep, this is more of the wireless receiver using this one. Okay.